Welcome to today's workout. Grab your mats, grab your water, and let's get started. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, bend at the waist and touch the floor with your hands. Keeping your legs straight, walk your hands forward until you reach a high plank, and keeping your hands still, walk your hands towards your feet, completing 1 rep and repeating this for the next minute. Lie on your back with your legs in a tabletop position and your arms reaching forward. Pump your arms up and down while inhaling and exhaling for 5 counts. Do this for the next minute. Lie on your back with your arms overhead and your legs straight. Inhale and start to curl your upper body off the floor. Exhale as you continue to roll up into a seated position. Inhale at the top, then exhale as you reverse the movement, unrolling your body back down to the floor. Repeating this for the next minute. Lie on your back and bring both knees into your chest. Extend one leg out as you pull the other knee towards your chest. Swap legs and do this for the next minute. From the same starting position as a single leg stretch, extend both legs out and arms overhead at the same time. Then circle your arms around and hug your knees into your chest, repeating this for the next minute. Sit up tall with your legs straight and separate. Inhale and reach your arms forward as you start to curl your spine forward. Exhale as you continue to curl down, stretching your spine. Inhale as you start to reverse the movement, and exhale as you sit back up tall. Repeating this for the next minute. Sit up tall with your legs straight, extend your arms out to the sides, and twist your torso to one side, then the other. Doing this for the next minute. In the same starting position as a spine twist, reach out one hand towards your opposite foot, bending at the waist, and rotate your torso as you reach. Do this for the next minute. We did it! Don't forget to like and subscribe so you're the first to know when a new Pilates video goes up. Also, don't forget to comment and let me know what your favorite part from today's workout was, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!